will be as May 29, 2025 approaches. We, the Rivers Women Prayer Group, once again reiterate our determination to continue pressing our call for the urgent termination of the state of emergency imposed as it has continued to negatively impact our collective development. Our demand for the lifting of the state of emergency becomes even more germane as May 29th draws near, and we are asking, what will be the fate of Rivers State? Will our state join other states in marking the day to also take stock as others? Much as we are waiting patiently for Mr. President, the father of the nation, to act by terminating this emergency rule, we have continued to observe and bear the burden of the humongous infractions on our collective patrimony by the sole administrator. Obviously, our state is bleeding under the emergency rule. That is why we remain resolute and undeterred to keep appealing for urgent lifting of this burden of emergency. The pain we are undergoing by the level of administrative lacuna under the emergency rule of our state is real. The emergency rule has hindered the deployment of resources for meaningful development. Much as Rivers people are direct losers, women and children are the most affected by the ongoing saga. Mr. President, we Rivers women support the process of peace and reconciliation and urge the National Assembly oversight committees on the implementation of the emergency rule to engage with the relevant stakeholders on how to broker peace among the gladiators. As determined Rivers women, we deeply appreciate all Nigerians and people of good conscience across the world who have stood by us since this ordeal, especially standing on the side of truth always. With your support, we are energized and encouraged to continue with the restoration of the democratic institutions and especially the reinstatement of our beloved governor, Sir Siminalayi Fubara. Thank you. Signed by Dr. Vivian Ige Elenwo, Chikode Okpara, read by Ms. Ann Kilbriggs, on behalf of Rivers Women Prayer Group. Thank you.
More details, why the reconciliation prayer?
It's even reconciliation prayer, praise and worship. When you praise and you worship God, He comes down. We've always believed in Rivers State that we need peace, we need tranquility. Rivers State is a peaceful state from the moment of its creation. The fact that we are where we are today is not the desire of Rivers people. That's not Rivers people. What's happening is not Rivers people. And we always believe that at the end of the day, we have no one else to turn to but God. And that's why these Rivers Women Unite for SIM have always done praise and worship and constantly praying for peace, for tranquility. Whatever is going on between politicians, let God bring peace amongst the people of Rivers State. It is Rivers State people that should govern Rivers State, not people who are not Rivers State people. In every state is like that. Rivers State should not be different. But at the end of it all, we give God the glory, we give God the praise, we give Him the honor. That at the end of the day, whatever the devil has meant for evil, we know that God has already turned it around for good. were thanking him.
So what will be your call to the president and the political stakeholders?
Definitely, the call today, as it has always been, is that the president should reconsider and let us have a recall of the governor of Rivers State to come back and govern the people of Rivers State that have voted for him. I believe, as I believed in the past, that the president today himself fought for democracy in this country. We know the years that he fought for democracy. He had to be exiled out of Nigeria until 1999, 1998, when he came back and ran for governor of Lagos State and became the governor. And so he's a Democrat. Rivers State will not be different. Rivers State is a democratic state. It's part of our lifestyle. It's part of our system. We believe in democracy. And so I'm calling on the president that 2 months, we're now going into 2 months. On the 18th or so of this month, we'll make it 2 months. We're looking towards so many democratic presentations, days are coming up. We're calling on the president that he should consider recalling the governor of Rivers State. The reasons that were given for the suspension of the governor and the deputy governor obviously has turned out to be incorrect. It's not true that there were crises. It's not correct that there was crisis in Rivers State. And what he was told, I believe that the president knows that what he was told is incorrect. And based on that, I believe that the president will sooner than later recall our governor to come back and govern Rivers State, do it peacefully. And at the end of it all, nobody is against the president in Rivers State, whether it's in 2027 or whatever time. We're not against the president of Nigeria. We're interested in good governance and democratic governance in Rivers State. Thank you.
So when it can't happen, say they can't remove our governor, give us state of emergency. If you look at the state now, everywhere things no go the way it's supposed to go again. It be like woman wey get eye, get leg, they waka, you can't remove the eye, or you come out the leg. How that woman go take the waka? No way. Our market now, if you enter market, everywhere cold. You no see buyers. You get market, you no fit sell. But when our governor been there, now the eye where we get be that. Now it be like they can't come out our eye, say make we no see road again. So now market quiet, everywhere quiet, and the young civil servant they cry. This one they cry, children they cry, school side and they cry. How we go do? We not get any other choice. This only governor we can make our life better for Rivers State. Now they can't come out and we dey beg our president, please bring back our governor for us. We not get any other state to go. We not get any other place to call our state. Now Rivers State be our state. We be Rivers women. So we dey call on the president to please bring back our governor so that things go fit work well for us again.
Nothing is working in the state. The state is on standstill. No business is moving anymore. The financial aspect, nothing is working. We are calling on the president to please come and restore. We are calling on the president to please come and make peace in Rivers State. Restore our governor. We need our governor. When the governor was there, the money was flowing. Everything was moving okay. There was peace in the state. But now nothing is moving. Everything is on standstill. No business is moving. Nothing is working in the state. Please, Mr. President, we are calling on you. Come and have peace and restore peace in Rivers State.
We are gathered here to pray for peace like we've always prayed. That we are appealing to His Excellency, the President of Nigeria, Tinubu, to tamper justice with peace. We are asking him to call back our governor. Because we as mothers and Rivers women our children, we feel intimidated like a stranger in our own house. We are appealing that he should call back our governor, duly elected governor, Similaye Fubara. We are peace-loving people. You can see that in Rivers State, despite all that is going on, we are peaceful. So we are appealing to the President of Nigeria, Tinubu, to please call back, bring back our governor. As mothers, we beg, whatever that has gone wrong, please have mercy and forgive us. Our children are suffering. We mothers are suffering. We are asking for this reconciliation to hold. The leaders should come together and make peace. They should come together so that Rivers State, we move forward. We are stagnant. We are not forward since the emergency rule. President, please call off the emergency rule and bring back our governor to us. We are here praying for peace. And we say peace be still in Rivers State.
Since this governor entered Rivers State, we had him as governor. Everybody will testify that things are moving well. Nobody, if you go to civil servants, they will testify. If you go to market people, they will testify. And we hope he would do better before he was removed.
Rivers women and children are suffering. Schools have resumed. If our governor is here, our elected governor is here, teachers, principals will be given stipends to run the school. Everywhere there is confusion. We don't know what to do. We are crying, praying, calling on the elders of the state, elder statesmen, our president, everyone that is involved in this unlawful decision. We are praying that there will be peaceful resolution to this matter, so that our governor, our duly elected governor, will come back to his seat and take care of the state. As a retired person, this new minimum wage that he approved, they were supposed to harmonize it for retired persons. We are still earning our stipends because our governor is not here and it's affecting us. Cost of living is very high. We need our dear governor. We are crying, asking that our children are suffering. We are telling the president, our president, please call back our governor.
So whatever that brought about this irreconcilable situation, we are asking God Almighty, who can do all things, to intervene. Then we are asking our own president, the president of Nigeria, to look back, think back, and see the situation of motherless people, the situation of Rivers people, the situation of women, the situation of children. See how everywhere is just dull, so dull that there is no food around to eat. You can imagine. So we are asking him to please calm down. Whatever the situation is, calm down and make it well. Let us have peace in Rivers State. Let things begin to move again. Let things begin to move again. We are calling on leaders. We are calling on stakeholders of this state to please bring back your mind. Come, let us reconcile. Let us sit together. Let us reason together so that Rivers State will move forward.
We are the women. We are the family, the women that are helping our husbands in the family. The youth are suffering. The youth are annoyed. Sir Sim Fubara is our governor. President, please help us and bring Fubara back for us, sir. Please help us. Our children, most of them are not going to school again because no salary paid by the parents. So nobody is helping them. President, you are the leader of the nation and you are our leader. President, please do something and help us so that most of them don't have money to buy drugs because the SIM is no more here.
He's the father of the nation. To please restore our governor, a peace-loving governor. We know, as we, the Muslims in the state, we know the good things. We know the good plans he has for us. He has been helping us. Before, our Islamic system here was so quiet. But when this governor came, he loved the Muslims. The way he uplifts us, the way he brings things to us, we've never seen a governor like that before in Rivers State. Please, we ask for our governor, as our president, he's our Muslim father. Please, we that are Muslims in the state, we beg him to bring back our governor.